Interesting thing that I want to draw your attention if you are reading the structural drawing for the first time is that the architectural drawings are numbered into grids. So these are the numeric grids 1, 2, 3. So these are numeric grids. So this grid is called as grid 1, 1. So this is the grid 1, 1. This is grid 2, 2. You can see 2 over here, and you can also see 2 over here. So this is the grid 2, 2, and similarly you got the grid 3, 3. So how the grids are placed, why not the grid has been placed here, and why only here, I will explain it in a while. Similarly, we got alphabetic grid, that is grid AA, grid BB, and grid CC. And you can see that in each grid we got the columns. In grid 1, 1 we got columns, this column, and in grid 2, 2 we also got columns, and in grid 3, 3 also we got the columns. So grids are generally placed where the columns are located. So it's not mandatory that you place a grid only where the column is located. You can place it anywhere, but this is a general practice. Similarly, we got the grids here and in the line of the columns. And if you see the dimension, so the important dimension that we will need here is the center to center length between the grids, which means that it will give you the center to center length between these two columns. So this is the information that we will require first while we are developing a conceptual model in STAAD Pro. So here you can see that so this distance is not clearly given. Okay, so it's 11 feet and 6 inches it's given. So that is from this grid to this grid. So if this information is not given, or this dimension is not given, you can use the, okay, so let me go to the measure. You can use the measure option. So you can use the linear measurement option here, and after that just click on the center of this column. Okay, so if you cannot locate the center, just draw a line from here to here and from here to here, so you will get the center point of this column. Okay, so right now I'll just take the center point as this, just for an approximation, and after that take from here to here, just take measurement at the center of this column, and you will get the measurement as 11 feet and 6 inches. Okay, so this is the first thing that you will require, center to center length between all the columns from here to here, after that from here to here, and from here to here. We'll see this thing while we'll start modeling this structure.